to 3, and the one who put the hand first, we answer the question, okay? So 1, 2, 3. We do it again, huh? We do it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
The answer is B, the owl guy.
That's wrong one. He said that's wrong one. So B, yeah? This one is easy, yeah? It's too easy. So we go to number 3. We count it again. So 1, 2, 3. Yes. D, is that the right one? D.
D, right?
D.